Good morning, students. Let's start today lecture. In previous lecture, we have done 3.1, then come on 3.2. Before exercise, let's discuss some rules for the pair of linear equations in two variables. You know very well. Two linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. Then in different ways. These are the pair of lines. First is compare the ratio. Compare the ratio. Okay. Then graphical representation. Graphical representation. And third one is algebraic. Third is algebraical interpretation. Okay. So first is compare the ratio. Maybe this is the form a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay. Then these lines are intersecting lines. ग्राफ पे कैसी आएंगी, एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी और उसका अलजेब्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या होगा, एग्जैक्टली वन सॉल्यूशन. एग्जैक्टली वन सॉल्यूशन और यू कैन से यूनिक सॉल्यूशन और यू कैन से यूनिक सॉल्यूशन अगर इस फॉर्मेशन में. ओके. सेकंड a1 बाई a2 और b1 बाई b2 के इक्वल हो जाए तो यहाँ पर आपके टू केसेस बनेंगे. थर्ड, अगर a1 बाई a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 बाई b2 के इक्वल हो जाए तो ओके. फर्स्ट केस या तो c1 बाई c2 के इक्वल होगा या c1 बाई c2 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. ओके. मे बी a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then c1 by c2 is equal to or not equal to c1 by c2. If all three ratios are equal, then these lines are coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay. And they have infinite many solutions. Uncountable solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. If these are, then these lines are parallel lines. These lines are parallel lines means no solution. These lines are parallel lines, no solution. Okay. Means these lines are intersecting lines. They are in this formation like that. They will intersect at a point, one point. Coincident lines means one line and this one is the another line. Coincident lines. And these are parallel lines. This line and this line. There is no common point. These are parallel lines. Intersecting lines, coincident lines and then parallel lines. Okay. You can see this one. Okay, fine. Then come on the exercise 3.2. Question number first. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution graphically. These are the graphically solutions. Okay. If they were intersect, then this is the solution. Here infinite many solution. Here there is, in this type there is a no solution. Okay. This is the solution. Intersecting point. Okay. first of all, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, then find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So here let number of boys is equal to x and number of girls is equal to y. According to question, number of boys, number of girls. According to the first, total 10 students are there. Then x plus y is equal to 10. Total counting is 10. And second, number of girls is 4 than number of boys. Means number of girls minus number of boys is equal to 4. जो गर्ल्स हैं वो बॉयज से कितनी ज़्यादा हैं 4. ओके, तो पुट हियर नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इज y minus x is equal to 4. Then take x on right hand side, y is equal to 4 plus x. Then as per the previous exercise, find the solutions of this equation and another equation. Two solutions are enough. Okay, put x is equal to 0, then, or you can say anyone, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Okay, then if you put here 5, then put y is equal to 5, then x plus 5. Okay, put here 5 is equal to 10. Then x is equal to 10 minus 5, then x is equal to 5. Okay, another one, maybe put y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Then x plus 6 is equal to 10. Then x is equal to 10 minus 6. This is a 4. X is equal to 4. Okay, represent this situation on the graph. You will draw on the graph paper. Okay, properly on the proper graph. X dash, y dash. Okay, in this one 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. आप ये ग्राफ में तो प्रॉपर 1 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे ऑलरेडी सब कुछ लगा हुआ है. इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव माइनस, दिस इज -1 एंड दिस वन इज -2. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 5, देन प्लॉट दिस पॉइंट ऑन द कार्टेशियन प्लेन 5, 5. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज 4, 6. x is 4 and y is 6. 4, 6, like that. Then draw this, join them properly. What is the equation? Write down the name of this equation. Name of this equation is x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. Okay, and in second, find the solutions of the second equation also. X and y. Okay, then put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 4 plus 1, this is a 5. Y is equal to 5. In another one, put x is equal to 2, put x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 4 plus 2 is a 6. Okay, 1, 5, this is the point. 1, 5. second is 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6. Join them. This equation is y is equal to 4 plus x. Okay, and this one is the solution. This point, intersecting point, is the solution. Check what is this point. चेक करेंगे आप जब, तो ये कौन सा पॉइंट आएगा आपके पास, चेक करिए। x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी यहाँ पर 3। इसको जब आप ज्वाइन करेंगे x एक्सिस पे, तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी आपके पास x की वैल्यू 3 और y की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी आपके पास 7। आपके ग्राफ में क्लियर दिखाई देगा। अभी मेरे पास प्रॉपर ग्राफ नहीं है, तो इसलिए प्रॉपर एग्जैक्ट में भी हो सकता ना आए, पर नियर अबाउट है। देखिए आप चेक करेंगे, x एक्सिस मिलाएंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, y एक्सिस मिलाएंगे तो y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। तो x से हमने किसको रिप्रेजेंट किया था, x से हमने किसको रिप्रेजेंट किया था, नंबर ऑफ बॉयज। हैंस नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, नंबर ऑफ बॉयज x की वैल्यू बताइए कितनी है 3, एंड नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स, देखिए y से नोट किया था, y की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 7। हैंस सॉल्व्ड। This is the solution. Okay, second part also. 5 pencils and 7 pens. So let cost of one pencil, cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 1. Okay, rupees x, and cost of one pen is equal to rupees y according to question. Total pencils are in first 5, so one pencil cost is x, then 5 pencil cost is 5x, one pen is y, 7 pen cost is 7y, and total amount is 50 rupees. Okay, come on second, and in second 7 pencil, so one pencil is x cost, then 7 pencil cost is 7y plus 5 pen is equal to 46. Then same as per the first part, you will first find the solutions, and then the graph, and intersection point is the solution. Value of intersection point x is cost of one pencil, and intersection point y value is cost of one pen. Okay students, okay, today homework is exercise 3.2 question number first. Okay, you will do this. Okay students, have a nice day. Thank you.